my channel. So today I'm like super excited because I received my parcel today. I ordered this one on 25th and I received on 29th. It took me like 4 days to receive this Privé or Privé Alliance by Baekhyun from EXO, and I'm super excited. So this is the box that I received. It's like quite big. It's 2.2 kilos. So I'm really excited to unboxing and then share what I ordered with you guys. Okay, let's open it. So the packaging is pretty much the same, so no any damage. It's got the scissors. This is just okay. Yellow stickers. Oh my god, it's so good. Look at this. Privé Alliance. Let me take this out first. Oh, this is just the same one. So this is first item Privé. The white one, and I got this one in small size. So this is the white. What do you call it? So I got a. This seems pretty thick, and there's all the logos here. Privé or Privé, what you call it. And then it looks pretty warm inside. So this is my first item. And the second one is a red hoodie, and then it says this is Privé Alliance. The first version is Privé or Privé, and second one was a Privé Alliance. So this is the second one I got is Privé Alliance. I got in a red. I saw the Baekhyun wearing a red hoodie and I can't stop myself, so I need to get one of these. So I just got one of these and size medium. Look at this. Oh, I love this Privé Alliance. And it has a tapped here 92, and oh, this is pretty cool, and it's like very thick in quality. I think it's a really good quality, and has a logo Privé or Privé. Can't wait to try this one. Silk. Okay, so number 3. So this is number 3. I got in a white color. The Fearless one. The Fearless. This is a. I tried to get the hoodie with the Privé, but I couldn't find the hoodie, so I just got this one. This because all the Privé hoodie was been sold out, so I can't get handsome. But I thought that's Fearless one. This one also I got in a size small, and it has a measuring tape. We call it like this. From there, and I got a Fearless and I got a Privé logo over there. can't wait to try. These are like really thick and the qualities are so good. I've got the feelers and with the barcode. It has the plastic has a Privé Alliance logo on the back. As you can see from the outside, the plastic is just black and everything. Oh my god, I felt it like it's so incredible. The qualities are so freaking good. And oh my gosh, look at this. And it's plain on the back, and it says like Fearless and Privé by BBH. Baekhyun. Well, I'm so excited. I can't wait to try this one. I'll try this one and show you guys. Oh, the qualities are really good. I think it's gonna be really pretty warm. So it has a woolen detail inside this kind of fabric. So my winter gonna be cool this time because winter is coming soon in Australia. So that was the whole of a Privé Alliance from BBH from EXO. I'm so happy to share with you guys. I'm like, this is like so good. It's like so warm, and then the quality inside is like this one inside that makes you really warm. The quality is so good. I'm so happy, so excited to try this on, and then like it's like can't explain. It's so happy. It's so incredible. The qualities are so good, and yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching.